Hey, this is Eric with TechnoRV, and this is the Learning Series video for the Garmin RV 785 GPS. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the voice command function. The voice command function on this new unit is really great. I've been using it a lot, and it really makes things easy while you're driving down the road to be hands-free. There is a wake-up phrase that you will use, that when you say this wake-up phrase, the unit kind of springs into action and gives you some choices on things that you can do with the voice activation. So let's go ahead and do that. The wake-up phrase is, "Okay, Garmin,
say a command.
Exit." So as you can see, whenever I say that, it starts giving me choices. So I'm going to go ahead and just enter a quick destination. Now, if I'm, sitting still somewhere, I'm probably not going to use the voice activation to enter my original destination, but adding things along my route, I certainly would use that. But just for fun, let's do that. So, okay, Garmin.
Say a command.
Find city.
What city in United States?
Tampa, Florida.
Did you say Tampa, Florida?
Yes.
Select a line number.
1.
Would you like to begin navigation?
Yes. And just like that, I have entered a destination.
Please drive to highlighted route.
Now, let's say I'm driving now, and I want to find the next, say, travel center. I can easily do that. So let me kind of walk you through this. You'll kind of see how easy this is. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin.
Say a command.
Find category.
Speak a category.
Along route. Truck stop.
Searching for truck stops. Select a line number.
2.
Would you like to begin navigation?
Yes.
Start new route or add as next stop.
Add as next stop.
Please drive to highlighted route.
And just like that, so while I was driving, I just entered in a destination there along my route. So I was going to Tampa, wanted to find a fuel station, and I easily did that without ever even touching the unit. So I really like this, and you can kind of see all of the different options you have of things that you can do with the voice commands. And so I would encourage you to just go through those while you're sitting somewhere and just start playing around with that option. Now, one of the other things that you can do is that you can change that wake-up phrase, and I'll show you how to do that. If you want to change it to something other than Garmin, you would just go to the home screen, click this icon with the 6 dots, go to voice command, and hit the wrench up top, and then wake-up phrase. So you could back over that and change it to anything, and like I could do roll tide. Tammy will really like that.
Roll tide.
See, just like that. And but you can change that to whatever you want it to be. So we'll leave it as okay, Garmin, but I am definitely changing it to roll tide when I'm done with this video.
Garmin.
And so you can kind of see how easy that is. So you can see there's a lot of options here with this. So let's just look at them real quickly. Okay, Garmin.
Say a command.
So obviously I can't say any of these or it's going to go to it, but you can kind of scroll through and just kind of see. And there's more options here. If you see, like, the down arrow is not grayed out. So I could say down, and it would move down and give me more options. And then if at any point I want to get out of it, I just say exit. And now I'm back out. So use those voice commands while you're driving down the road. It'll help you keep your eyes on the road and make for a much safer trip. And there's a lot that you can do with it, so go ahead and start playing around with that. And this video should help you get started with those voice commands.